Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to guide you through expanding your C drive partition quickly and safely. In disk management, the Extend Volume option is grayed out. To fix this quickly and save time, I'm going to show you how to use Ease US Partition Master. Go to your web browser and enter EPM Download in the search bar. A partition manager is a reliable disk partitioning utility for Windows users to apply to flexibly creating, resizing, deleting, and even combining partitions. As one of the best free disk manager, Easy US Partition Master enables beginners to operate all types of partition management and disk performance optimization tasks on Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, XP, Vista in a few simple clicks. Next, we're going to download it and run the installation. Click Install. Select your partition, choose the Resize/Move option, and then follow along with what I'm doing on screen. Click Execute. Your C drive is full and showing a red bar. This method is highly effective for increasing your C drive capacity so you can store more data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for updates on helpful videos.